welcome back to Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are on Interstate 75, coming from Georgia, we're in Tennessee now. We are 50 miles, give or take, to 75 and the 40. Pretty sure. Hope everybody's day is going well, or has been gone well, or whatever time that you guys end up watching this video. I want to cover it all, right? Absolutely beautiful, blue skies. It's getting warmer and warmer as we go along each day. It's just getting warmer, which is a good thing, because I'm really getting tired of that white stuff. So this year has been very difficult. A lot of snow everywhere. Very cold, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who's really tired of this winter. Yeah, a lot of people have gotten in more accidents this winter than probably in a long time. Couldn't tell you if it's forever or not. I don't know those facts. My dog is looking at me like I'm crazy and talking to myself, but we all know we're talking to you. This is Tennessee. Not much here. Once we get past Knoxville and go up to 75 that way, and then we'll hit Jericho Mountain, and there's a lot more to see there, and then you get into Kentucky, and it's not flat land there either. Once you get into Ohio, then it's getting to be pretty flat at that point. Coffee. It's quarter after 8 where I am right now in the morning. The sun is just starting to come up. Thank God the sun is on that side of the screen, and well, it's still in my eyes, my eyeballs here, but not as bad. So it's a good way of waking up at this point, right? That's a nice big lump truck. I want one just like that. That is a Dodge Longhorn, I think. Dually. It's got a 6-cylinder diesel engine in that thing. Pull damn near anything with that thing. My dog wants on my lap. Come on, Chance. Get up. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit you in the nose. She's a goofball, she is. She jumps off her seat, comes down, gets up between my legs, jumps onto my lap, then jumps back onto her seat. She's done that all her life. Why? I have no idea. Hold on. Okay, Chance. All right, let me get the blanket out and help you get underneath the blanket. Get in. Lay down. I'll throw the blanket over your head. That's what you want. There you go. There you go. She definitely got me trained. See, when I first got her, when I first adopted her, everybody told me to put her in a crate trainer. Well, she's in the truck with me. This is just one big crate. I'm crate trained at this point. So why am I going to put her in a cage? It don't make sense. So I never trained her in a crate. Trained her to stay in the truck. I did train her. She wanted on the dashboard when we were driving. I got her to stop doing that. I never did the telling her to sit or anything like that. I just looked at her as she's a free spirit just like me. She's just a free spirit that has to stay with me. So is that free or not? I guess that is, because she loves me. We're like bestest friends, we are. Doesn't matter how hard of a day I got, or whatever, what I'm going through, or whatever, my dog stays with me, thick and thin. That's a good thing about dogs, right? Doesn't matter how angry you get, that dog is just going to be right there with her tail wagging, or their tail wagging. And it doesn't really matter. They're always happy. Even when they get treated like crap, they're always happy. My dog clearly doesn't get treated like crap. She's spoiled rotten, which I think every dog should be spoiled rotten. I'm talking about those dogs that are chained out and not fed and skinny and beaten, and you know, those dogs I'm talking about. Those, it doesn't matter what you do, they still wag their tail. They still love you, hoping that, you know, because that's all they got is you. So you got a dog, just look at your dog, spoil the crap out of your dog, give them a big hug and tell them how much you love them. Because unfortunately we only get them for a short amount of time. And I'm not looking forward to that day where I have to say goodbye to my dog. I'm not looking forward to that. She's been with me for 12 years now. This year should be 13. I know the day is coming. I know it is. I'm not looking forward to it. I don't think I could, but I would. And I'll be there for her as much as she's been with for me. Chance is my very first dog, so I've had cats and all that stuff. This is the very first one, very first dog. And once you have a dog, you understand they're a lot different than cats. Well, they are and they're not. Dogs rely on you a lot more than cats do. We're getting another cat. We're getting a cat too. So her name is Lucky, and we'll have it on there. She'll be, her and Chance will be a video of both of them together and on the channel so everybody can see. I've done glimpses of Chance a couple times here and there. She's a Jack Russell pug. So she's a jug, and she's a runt, a litter, and she is so happy and so friendly. She thinks everything and everyone is friendly. She may bark at you like she's ready to rip your head off, but her tail is just a wagging, and she's one of those who'll give you crap. Once she meets you and you try to leave, she'll bark at you like she's giving you crap for leaving. You're not allowed to leave. And when you're in the presence of her, sometimes it becomes like a parrot, like a bird. She likes to sit on your shoulders and dive bomb you. That's what I call it. She dive bombs you. She licks your face and everything. She's just such a sweetheart. Such a sweetheart. And I've been lucky enough to have a beautiful one thing I've always wanted to do. I've always had a fascination of helicopters, and I always wanted to fly one, but don't have the money for the helicopter training, I guess. Construction ahead, but it's not. I don't know what's going on. It must be an oversize up here. All the flashing lights.